Welcome home to Unit 302. We're in Mission Hills, 3801 Mission Hills Road in Northbrook. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. We have western-facing exposure and over 1,300 square feet. Come on in. Mission Hills is a 24-hour gated community located in unincorporated Northbrook. It's resort-style living year-round with beautifully maintained grounds, tennis courts, and outdoor pools with on-site security. All the units offer a gas fireplace, extra long balconies, in-unit laundry, assigned heating garage parking space, and storage cage. The monthly assessment includes heat, water, elevators, gatehouse security, etc. There are no special assessments, and the association has strong reserves with a fresh new lobby. Make this your own condo style today. You'll be enjoying sunset views before the holidays. Come on in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Caroline Gao. Every Tuesday we post new content of local businesses, renovation projects, and market updates to keep you in the know in Northbrook. Bye for now.